Hey everyone, struggling to design eye-catching certificates? Stick around. This video is for you. Let's get started. Search for Canva in your browser. Click on the first link, canva.com. Here, click on the Create a Design button and select Certificate. A new blank page has been created. On the left, you can see a variety of certificate templates. In this demonstration, I choose this one. Now, the template is inserted on our page. Let's proceed to edit and customize for your content. If you want to add a sign, logo, or any image, click on Uploads. Hit the Upload Files button and select your image. Once uploaded, your uploads will be listed here. Select the image you want to insert in your design. Now, move and resize your image as per your requirements. If you want to download this certificate, click the Share button and select Download. Choose the file type you want and click Download. Your certificate is ready. That's it, guys. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more videos. Thanks for watching.